Every single time you send a document out for a signature, you're not just sending a file, you're sending a message about your brand. Does it look professional? Does it feel trustworthy? In this explainer, we're going to dive into how you can customize your Digisigner account so that every single document you send reinforces your brand. All right, let's get into it.
I want you to think about this for a second. The last document you sent out, what did your client actually see? Did they get a generic email from a service they've maybe never even heard of? Or did they see your company name, your logo, and instantly know, okay, this is from them? That little detail, it makes a world of difference for client trust. And that's exactly what we're going to tackle today. Digisigner has all the tools you need to swap out those generic requests for a really slick branded experience. And look, this isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about making your clients feel secure and confident from the very first click. So where are all these magical branding controls hidden? Well, spoiler alert, they're not hidden at all. It's actually incredibly easy to find. Let's head on over to the settings and get started. Okay, getting to the right spot is literally just 3 clicks. First, you're going to look for your email address, usually right up there in the top right corner of the screen. Give that a click. From that little menu that pops down, you're going to select Settings. Now, that'll take you to the general area, but what we're looking for, the branding stuff, is under the Pro tab. Click on Pro, and boom, you're in. This is your new command center for all things branding.
All right, the very first thing we're going to customize is probably the most important piece of the puzzle, the actual page where your client views and signs the document. We want to get your logo on there right at the top so there is zero doubt about who sent this.
Now, this is a really important distinction inside Digisigner. You're going to see 2 different places to upload a logo. The first one is the application logo. Think of this as your digital letterhead. It's what shows up right on the signing page itself. The second one is the email logo, which, you guessed it, appears in the header of all the notification emails. You can totally use the same logo for both, but it's cool that they give you the option to use different versions if you want.
Okay, so the signing page is looking sharp. But what about the emails that get your clients to that page? We've got to make sure those are just as polished and on brand, so your client knows it's from you the second it lands in their inbox.
So, inside these Pro settings, you've basically got 3 main levers you can pull to brand your emails. We already talked about adding your email logo for that instant visual pop. But you can also change the email from name and add some custom email footer text. Let's break down what those last 2 mean.
This email from field, honestly, this is huge for trust and just getting people to open your emails. Instead of a request coming from Digisigner, it can now come from Sarah at Summit Financial or the team at Apex Realty, right? When your client sees a name they actually recognize, they're way more likely to open it, trust it, and sign it right away.
And finally, let's talk about that last little professional touch, the email footer. This is a bit of custom text that gets added to the bottom of every automated email. It's the absolute perfect spot for a friendly sign-off, just like the one you see here. You could add a thank you or maybe even a link to your website. It just makes the whole thing feel less like a robot sent it and more like it came from you.
And would you look at that? In just a few minutes, you've totally transformed the experience. By uploading those logos, setting your company's sender name, and adding that custom footer, you've tied this whole eSignature process directly to your brand. It's all connected now.
So, why does all this actually matter? Well, it's about so much more than just looking good. When your branding is consistent from the first email to the final signature, it just screams professionalism. It builds this unspoken layer of trust, and it makes your clients feel like the whole process is official, secure, and handled personally by you. So I'll leave you with this final thought, a little bit of homework. You've taken this awesome step to professionalize your documents. So what's next? What's one other place where you interact with clients? Maybe it's your calendar invites, or your invoices, or even just your regular email signature that you can give a similar branding boost to this week. Thanks so much for watching this explainer.